Hey guys, Prothomir again. Today we're going to be doing a review video, so it's definitely going to be different. And we're actually going to be reviewing this microscope set. So this isn't an actual microscope. It's kind of just something for, kids to play with. It's 8+. So if you're an 8-year-old, you should be able to play with it. But you should play this or just experiment with it with an adult, as it does have sharp parts because it's kind of trying to replicate an actual microscope set. So don't use this by yourself if you're too young, if you're under 8, or even if you're like, I don't know, 12, you shouldn't be using this alone. Use it with someone else, and make sure that just so that you don't get hurt. So it looks really interesting. So let's get right. So for this microscope set, you're actually going to need 2 AA batteries, because there's an actual light in this microscope, just to let you guys know. So I've opened the microscope set. Sorry if you hear something in the background. We actually have guests over. So it came in this bubble wrap kind of wrapper just to keep everything safe. It comes with an instruction manual so you know what to do. And here everything is as I got it. There's a microscope. There are some blank labels for you to label like your trays or like just the items. Here's the trays, and then the front there's actually a sample tray. It's I believe a B-wing. There's a light, like a lamp. Again, there's a light, that's why you need the AA batteries. AA batteries are not included, just to let you guys know, if you ever decide to buy it. There's this pair of tweezers that has like a little rubber band so that they don't like pop open. It has a screwdriver, and it has this sharp thing that I was talking about. Basically, if I pop this open, not sure if you guys can see how sharp it is, but I'll try and get it on camera. Don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you can. I can't. I don't think you guys can see it, but basically, it's pretty sharp. Don't be poking anyone or any thing that you don't need poking. Don't poke yourself or anyone. Don't use it for that. Only use it for stuff that you need for this kit. So I just put that there. Oh yeah, it also comes with these little like collecting vials. I think they're made out of plastic, might be made out of glass. You can open it and put stuff in there. It's pretty small, because big stuff won't go on the trays. And then here's the actual microscope, and here is like the lens, and the lens you can just pop in just like that. There's a cap on the lens. Yeah, so AA batteries, I'll just put camera over here. So the AA batteries, actually, there's this like black thing on the bottom, and you remove it, and you use the screwdriver. Sorry guys. You use the screwdriver and you just screw this thing open. So I'll get to when I've unscrewed it. So I've unscrewed it, and I have 2 AA Duracell batteries, and I'll just put them in real quick. So I put the batteries in, and you might be wondering where the light is. So actually, if you tilt this up, there it is, right there. There isn't actually a switch. You kind of just actually turn it. There's like a sensor. So after it turns a certain amount, so on this side there's a mirror. After it turns a certain amount, it will turn on. You guys see that? So just go to it, and after it turns that amount, it'll turn on. And yeah, and it has to be facing this. We're going to be inspecting it. You can actually turn it around a bit like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And so basically, the set is meant for you to, like, have this ready at home, the set ready at home. You can bring, like, one or both of the collecting vials. You can find something that you want to inspect, try and make sure it's transparent, otherwise you can't actually, look at it really good. For any microscope, actually. And you get the collecting vial, you open it, you pop the thing in, and then you put it in, or if you're at home, you just put it in, you bring it over to your microscope set, and then, I'm not going to bring out the trays right now, just so you know, if you're ever in, like, a science class, don't touch the trays directly with your fingers, like, I'm going to touch this tray because it's covered with a sticker. Don't ever touch the trays like this. It's going to get your fingerprints on it, and it's not going to be good. You always want to hold the tray by the sides like this, just so you know. And then you can just bring it home, and you can use the microscope and try and look at it closer, and obviously what the microscope is actually meant for. You put it on a tray, and then you just slide it over under here. There's like 2 latches over here. And then you just like shift through the different lenses over here. And you just look at it. So this is like from the most zoomed out, then like I think semi zoomed out, and then like the closest zoomed in. And then on the bottom, you might have noticed, there's actually some different colored like glasses, so that when you flip the light on and it's going through that hole, it's going to see on the other side, so you can light the object up. You can see it under a different color, just if you want. And there's different sizes of these holes too, from biggest to like medium to small to like super tiny. So it's pretty interesting. And there are like a bunch of buttons and knobs you can use to adjust everything, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. So overall, I think that the microscope set is pretty cool. But if you actually want to, actually want to do a microscope, well, I'll get to that later. I think it's cool because, like, if you just have something that you find at home or outside, although you probably shouldn't be bringing stuff from outside into your home because of COVID-19, prior to COVID-19, or you can actually bring stuff from outside and then, like, clean it if you really want to, and you can just get it and then, like, look at it, like, sort of close up, just for, it's kind of just for fun. It's not really an actual microscope set. If you actually want a microscope, and actually want to do like inspections, I guess, of like just small objects or even just objects in general, you should really think about it, because microscopes are kind of expensive. Some of them are hundreds of dollars, so you should really think about it if you really want to do an investigation, because this microscope, it doesn't have enough tools to actually like look into something. Like actual microscopes can look much closer at things. I know I've used one at school. They're pretty costly, like again, hundreds of dollars. This one, first of all, it's pretty small, and I don't. It's just not meant for real microscope things. So I really think that if you want to do a proper investigation, you should really look into microscopes. You should try and find a good one, and also you should learn before you get it. You should really think about if you really want it or not, because you have to learn how to use a microscope, because there are a few steps to using a microscope. Because they're pretty complex, and if you do one thing wrong, you can mess it up. Like I told you with the trays, if you actually hold them, your fingerprint is going to get on them. So really think about it if you actually want a microscope. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I'll see you next time.